So today I'll be working on the MR2 again. This is actually a mod that I wanted to do when I first saw this car on the Craigslist ad because I saw it was missing. So let's take a look at my car. So we got the OEM side skirts. We have the OEM spoiler. But it is missing something. It's actually missing the visor up here. I don't know if this car just didn't come with it or someone took it off. I like how that thing looks, so I want to put one on. So here's the visor I picked up. Pretty clean. Now this one had all these tabs broken off, so I went ahead and just riveted them in. So it should be even stronger than before because these are just spot welded, and you can see that they just kind of rust out. So I have another one here, but this one has two of the tabs broken off, and this is how I got it. So it's kind of hard to fix without having these tabs to begin with, but here you can see that it's just rusted out, broken off, and I wouldn't trust this thing with just two tabs on the back of the car. So I got another one, and this one's actually in much better shape. I also picked up the C-pillar screws, and these are actually kind of hard to get. They're like really special screws. No stores sell them, so you gotta find someone parting on AW11 to get these. So this is for the C-pillar, and then this is for the visor. And it's got like a special, kind of like a plastic bushing that goes through it, centers it. And also, these are C-pillar trim saver tabs. You'll see what I'm talking about here pretty soon, but these tabs like to always break. So these are pretty nice. It's got all the instructions here. Now let's just go pull off my C-pillar trim. So even just removing this trim from the car, one of the tabs just broke. So these are the C-pillar trim that I took off of my car, and I just noticed that there was a small difference. So this one has the visor alignment hole, but this one doesn't. But luckily, and I didn't see this coming at all, but I just grabbed this extra one to have a spare, but this one has the alignment hole. So that saves me the trouble of having to drill into this one. So this rubber part goes into that hole right there. So anyways, back to repairing this thing. So here's what the tabs look like. This one is 100% intact, no cracks, nothing's broken. And then you can see the threads in there. So this one's in good shape. But then if you come up here, this one is broken. It's just completely gone. Same with down here. And this one's also good. Passenger side, pretty much 100% intact, except for the one up here. Now I'm probably going to leave these ones alone until they actually break, because they look to be in great shape. I'll just be careful not to over tighten it, which is how these things break anyways. So I'm not going to go full in-depth on how to install these tabs, because the guy that made these, he made a great video of how to do this, and it came with all the instructions. Okay, I got the surfaces smooth and all sanded down, ready for the new trim to go on. So I'm just going to be using this stuff. I couldn't find what the guy was talking about, whatever that is. But I've had good luck with this stuff, so I'm going to use this instead. Oh geez, that was a lot. I hope that's enough. Put on I'll put this screw in here just to set it or center it, and that should do it for this one. I'm just gonna hold it here for a minute, I think it said. Oh geez, set time in 5 minutes. Okay, the glue is done drying and it looks nice and solid. So this shouldn't be going anywhere, especially this one because I spilled everywhere. And then I also had to fix the center seat pillar trim because this one is broken, but the rest were good. So that's all done. Now I just gotta give it a fresh coat of paint. That's how it looks right now. It looks pretty decent, but it's still pretty faded. And I'll be using this SEM Trim Black. This is like the best stuff out there. It matches perfectly with all the OEM trims. Okay, here they are after 3 coats of paint. Looking much better than before. I'd even say they look almost brand new. So I like this paint because it leaves kind of like a textured finish, just like OEM had it. So there it is. Now it's ready for install. Okay, left side's on. Now the right side. Oh man, piece of my trim's missing. So there it is, everything's installed. That's nice and sturdy. This paint looks better than everything else on the car. So I might have to do everything too, but I'll leave that for later. Yep, this just looks so much cooler now. This is my favorite part. The Toyota thing just reflects off of the back window. That's like the coolest little detail. So that's one more thing knocked off the checklist. But I still got lots more to go. But one step at a time, and it'll eventually be done, or so they say. So there it is. That's gonna be it for this one. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the progress on this car. I think I'm making pretty good progress, and it's been a lot of fun, like, you know, just tinkering around with stuff. So like I said, still a long way to go, lots more to do. I think in a week or two there's going to be a car show that I want to make it out to in this car. So I want to get the hood painted, I want to paint the lip and stuff, make it look somewhat decent instead of how it is right now. So yeah, I'm going to end it there. I'll see you guys next time.